In a world filled with diverse beliefs and traditions, one timeless truth shines brighter than any other, and there is unity. Our world currently, as you know, faces significant challenges, from global conflicts to personal struggles and understanding our true selves. In Christianity, with over 2 billion followers, Jesus gives us a commandment: love one another as I loved you.
And if you love one another, all men shall know that you are my disciples.
And in Hinduism, with over 1 billion followers, Krishna says, I am the Self, O Arjuna, seated in the heart of all creatures. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings. Bhagavad Gita 10:20. And also in Buddhism, with over 500 million followers, Buddha says, in the sky, there is no distinction of east or west. People create distinctions out of their own minds and believe in them to be the truth. Swami Vivekananda, a Hindu philosopher and spiritual leader that always taught and spoke about the unity of all religions, we have a quote that he says something like this: we must keep our mind open. We must understand the saying of the scriptures according to the spirit which they were written. This means that we are too much focused on the specifics of our religions. We are covering the unity behind it all. In a world often divided by differences, the teachings of the great leaders remind us of the fundamental truth: we are one. Unity in diversity.